I love this story. My name is Zeus 39. On the peaceful shore of Buariki lived a king that people love to see. Kind in heart and gentle in hand, Kewe ruled across the land. Even the birds in the tall green trees followed him softly in the island breeze. But one hot night, the world was still, no wind whispering. On the hill Kewe wandered to the moonlit side, where the ocean kissed the rising tide. There on the sand lay a silent love, cool like the sea and shaped by a ghostly fog. He closed his eyes in the soft night glow, but little did the sleeping king know. Oh, King Kewe, carried by the tide, on the back of a ghost who tried to hide. Nei Aromaeao, drifting in the foam, taking the king far away from home. But the birds of the island, loyal and strong, lifted him up and brought him where he belongs. The legend lives on. The legend of Kewe lives on. Morning came with a cry of fear. Where is our king? He's not here. The village searched from shore to shore, hearts trembling like never before. But far away on an islet small, the birds saw the king and answered the call. Wings of courage filled the sky, they carried their king lifted high. Oh, King Kewe, carried by the tide, on the back of a ghost who tried to hide. Nei Aromaeao, drifting in the foam, taking the king far away from home. But the birds of the island, loyal and strong, lifted him up and brought him where he belongs. The legend lives on. The legend of Kewe lives on. The king returned, the people cried. Ghost took me far where the waves collide. She wore the form of a fallen tree, but her heart was dark as a deep blue sea. So they watched the tides with fearless eyes, till the log returned in a new disguise. Destroy her now, the king declared, and every villager bravely prepared. Knives and axes in the rising sun, they ended the ghost, the battle done. The sand turned red where a spirit bled, and the waves whispered all the words unsaid. Oh, King Kewe, saved by the sky, by the wings of birds who heard his cry. Oh, Nei Aromaeao, story stained the shore where the red sand sleeps forevermore. Buariki remembers in every dawn the night their king was carried on. Oh, the legend lives on. Oh, the legend of Kewe lives on. Red sand, ghosts gone, birds rise, king strong. Buariki forever sings this song. The legend of Kewe lives on.